In this tutorial we talking about this variable draft angle. So let's begin to learn. So we going to select this icon of the variable draft. No, this is not variable draft fillet. So as we previous video we see the drafted face, select this, and neutral element, select this. So we have to this angle, see that is the we here selecting as you remember in previous video we going to the this one variable radius fillet. We selecting the point and going to the various radius to the various points as like this command we use here also, these points or this trick. So let's select the point over this. So we select this in twice, so delete this point. So we simply double click on this, and we here taking the value of the radius, going to this 10, going to this 20, and going to this 10. So taking preview, so we have the idea what the preview is. So press on OK. So this is the output of our drawing of our drafted various radius fillet. So I hope this video is useful for you. Thank you for watching this video till the end. Thank you.